Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Backpack on Fire. For those of you that are watching me for the first time, hello, my name is Shauna, and today I am challenging myself to pack carry-on only for a 5-day trip to Boston. For those of you that know me, you know that I tend to sometimes overpack when traveling. I seem to have a talent for getting my backpack to the maximum weight capacity every time. Usually because I'm packing last minute, and in that rush I'm throwing in things that I don't end up needing. Traveling in Spain this past spring, my friends actually gave my backpack a name. They called her Maria because she took up an entire seat in our car because she was too big to fit in the trunk. So even though this trip is only 5 days, I really do need to set myself this challenge, as I'm sure I could find a way to justify filling my 70-liter backpack for the journey. What also takes this challenge to the next level is I'm traveling in colder weather and with a budget airline that will actually weigh my carry-on. So I'm really going to have to use a bunch of packing hacking ideas that I've been working on to fit in bulkier clothes and stay under that 9 kilogram or 20-pound weight limit. So let's see if my new packing hacking process is going to be enough. First, I lay out all the clothing I think I'm going to take and group them by item. Next, I regroup into outfits to see where I can get the most mix and match options and start to remove items that don't really double up. Next, I set aside my airport outfit. This one's also going to include my coat, mitts, and dressy winter boots, and they're actually the only pair of footwear I'm going to bring. Then I roll things up to save space and use packing cubes to keep everything organized. Next is laying out toiletries and additional items that I'm going to use on the flight. I'm trying out carry-on size squeeze tubes for the first time to make sure I don't have to worry about any leaks. I always keep my plastic bag from security when I travel, so I can pre-split up the items that need to come out when I go through the security checkpoint. For this trip, I've also pre-packed individual servings of protein powder and placed them inside my mixer bottle to save on space, and it provides a little extra structure for the bottle just in case. Next is making sure all my electronics, documents, and things I want to use during the flight fit into my personal bag, which this time I'm using a large purse. I never put any of these items in the main carry-on bag because some of the planes are so small that that bag still ends up being put in the hold or checked below the plane at the gate to save on space. The last time I flew with this specific budget airline, that's exactly what happened. The only thing that's missing here is my water bottle that still needs to be filled. Now the main test. How much does this carry-on weigh? I always weigh my bag so I don't have any surprises at the airport. Success! I'm under the weight and I've got a little extra space just in case I do some shopping. So to recap, my packing hacking process for carry-on only travel is: lay it all out first. Group in outfits and minimize. Set aside that airport outfit and make sure it includes your bulkier items and your largest, heaviest footwear. Use packing cubes. Whenever possible, pack items inside of each other. Pre-pack your security bag of liquids. Keep all electronics, documents, and flight items in your personal bag. Weigh your bag so that there's no surprises. I hope this packing hacking process for carry-on only travel helps you out for your next trip. Let me know in the comments below if you try any of these hacks and how it goes. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Friday. See you next week. Bye!